Hey guys, this is Brian with Beastride DIY. So XTool contacted me and I'm going to go over some of their deals that they have going on their Amazon store. Now you can use the code on the screen and you can get 8% off. Now this is only for Prime Day as my understanding, but you're going to be getting some discounts here. So the first item up here is the XTool TP150. What this is, it's an XTool TP150 TPMS programming tool. And what that is that's the tire pressure monitoring system tool. It's a universal tire sensor. It can relearn, reset, activate, and it's the TS100 sensor programmer tire pressure monitor with system diagnostic tool. As far as the ratings, it's got 80 ratings at 4.3 stars, so that's pretty good. I'm going to go down the line here. It's 159, but that's before the discount. It can relearn, reset, do system diagnosis, check tire pressure, of course, temp and power, read and clear those buggy little codes, and to turn off the TPMS warning light. You know, it's a pain when you have to go to the dealership to have that turned off. Next tool we got is the XTool InPlus IP616. It's a diagnostic scanning tool. It says it's $369 before the discount. It has lifetime updates as well. OBD2 scanner plus 31 extra services. All systems diagnosis, key programming, ABS bleed, oil, SAS, TPMS, EPB, throttle reset, CAN FD. Now this has 128 ratings here with 4.3 stars. So that's pretty good. Kind of what the screen looks like here. Different functions, report, remote control. You can do that auto scan, update settings, and then it looks like it has more options as well. And then it checks off all these other items here. Some of these, I'm not going to go over all these, but it just talks about seat configuration, HV battery, AC relearn, gear learning, air suspension, headlight, airbag repair. So, you know, if you're a mechanic, this can definitely be useful if you're having to make some major repairs after a collision possibly. Key programming for DIYers. Bleed the ABS to eliminate the air in the braking system. So next, this is the XTool D8S bidirectional scan tool. It says it's a 2024 upgrade of D8. So it's an upgrade of the D8 model, 3-year update with topology mapping, ECU coding, 38 plus services, all systems scanner, car crankshaft, relearn, CAN FD, and DAL P. $649 for the discount. 4.5 stars, so the rating's a little bit higher with over 1,204 ratings here. It says it has 38 plus maintenance services, bidirectional control, guided function for VAG, ECU coding, topology mapping, programmable module installation. So below that we've got the XTool. It's a 12+8 cable adapter for FCA Chrysler work with XTool, X100 Pad Plus, and then it just gives all the models there. That's the cable adapter there. That's $25. It's 4.7 stars with 59 reviews. Now this is the bidirectional scan tool. It's the XTool D7W. It's the wireless version of the D7, D7S, OBD2 scanner. It comes with 3 years of updates, ECU coding, CAN, FD, and DAL LP. 36 plus resets, key programming, crank sensor alarm, all system car scanner. So this works with Android 10 as well, and it has Wi-Fi, which is nice. So this is $539 for the discount. Let's go here and look at what it can do. It says new with 2024 upgraded wireless scan tool and Wi-Fi connection. Cutting edge but budget friendly. It says a faster wireless diagnosis equals to $1,000 devices, bidirectional controls, advanced ECU coding, 36 plus maintenance services, advanced special functions, and then 36 plus maintenance services. I won't read all those, but some things it has over the other ones. It does have a kind of a cool built-in camera and kickstand, and works with the XV100 inspection. All right, so next up is the XTool X100 Pads Automotive Key Programmer, programming tool upgrade of the X100 pad. It does come with the all systems diagnostic, 32 plus services, ABS bleed, oil reset, throttle, 2 years update, and CAN FD DOLP. 174 4.3 ratings at a $479 before the discount. So this is showing the case and the tool here. One-click software update with 2 years of free software. And then all systems diagnostics. and 32 maintenance services as well. Now this is the XTool D9S Pro Diagnostic Scan Tool. It's the 2024 new upgraded version of the D9 Pro. Topology map, ECU programming, and coding, bidirectional and full diagnostic key programming services, 42 plus services, do IP and CAN FD 3-year updates. It has 4.3 stars with 60 ratings. This is $13.99 before the discount. And I'm going to go cycle through some of the pictures here to just see what you're going to get. It says it's 10 times faster. Online and offline ECU coding, upgraded wireless connection. It says better than BT. And this one does have Wi-Fi. So this one is the XTool D8W. It's the wireless bidirectional scan tool, topology OBD2 scanner, 3-year updates, $600 worth it's saying, ECU coding, 38 plus resets, key programming, crankshaft relearn, CAN, FD, DOIP, full diagnostic car scanner. So this is $6.99, and let's go and scroll through the pictures here. This is the plug-in tool here on the left, and then the diagnostic tablet on the right. Saying it has Wi-Fi communication, OEM topology mapping, ECU coding and PMI, refresh hidden functions, VAG guided functions, and 3 years of free updates, as well as 38 plus maintenance services. Now this is for $159 here. This is their code reader for cars and trucks. It's the XTool N Plus IP508 engine ABS SRS transmission car diagnostic tool with oil reset, EPB, SAS, BMS, throttle check engine code reader, Android 10.0 free update. So this works with Android. 4.4 stars with 125 ratings. It says 4 systems with 9 services, a free update, and CAN FD. So this is all that it has here. Memory 2 gigabytes plus 32 gigs, one-touch Wi-Fi updates, free lifetime updates, and then it has their own 4 systems where you can do the diagnostic scan. Now this one here, this is the wireless OBD2 scanner XTool AnyScan A30D bidirectional scan tool. Comes with lifetime updates, full systems, car scanner, 14 services, ABS bleed injector coding, oil EPB, BMS, SAS, TPMS reset for iPhone and Android. 4.4 stars with 142 ratings, and that is $149, as well as 14 special functions as well, and they've got them all here. X100 had 3 advanced key fob programming tool with KC100 key chip programmer plus EEPROM adapter bidirectional control, and then 38 plus services. ECU program, PMI, all-in-one system update. They're just kind of listing everything it does. And it comes with 2 years of updates as well. This is $9.99. This is just kind of going over everything I just said here with the 38 special functions, 85 different vehicles as far as the coverage. And this is going to check the whole system here. Read and erase codes, live data, freeze frame, auto scan, auto VIN. All right, next up we've got the XTool KC501 key and chip programmer. Works with D8. It says it can read and write car remote control data and key frequency detection. It has different key programming abilities. And then it comes with this nice carrying case as well here with the different boards and cables. And this one's $5.98. Now for $7.99, they have this XTool N Plus IK618 key fob programming tool, scanner, 31 plus resets, full diagnostic tool with 2 years of updates. This is $7.99. It's going to be 4.3 stars. It has 51 ratings. It says you can read and view ECU information, DTCs. It says it can cover almost all available reset functions on over 10,000 different vehicles. Now this is the XTool X100 Max Advanced Key Programming Tool. Has 42 plus services, 2 years of updates. So this is saying with the KC501 and EEPROM adapter, DOIP and CAN FD protocols. They're saying this is the newest model they have. It's the 2024 newest model. Has 14 or supports 14 different languages, remote learning, 10,000 vehicles as far as coverage. Read pin code and pin code calculation, check number of keys, add keys, generate dealer key. So this is the XTool N Plus IP8 19 TP automotive scan tool. It said it's been upgraded. It's an upgraded version of the IP616 D7 IP819 OBD2 scanner with TPMS programming. 10,000 plus global vehicles, 3 years of free updates, auto scan, live data, freeze framing, and ECU info. So go ahead and check out these deals, guys, from XTool. They have a bunch of OBD and different scanners. So this is their store for Prime Day. They're going to be having that sale. Again, here's the code for their Prime Day sale. And enter this code when you're checking out, and you're going to save, I think it's 8% on that. So go ahead and check it out, guys.